So as you've probably figured out, I have taken down pretty much all of my Christmas decorations with the exception of my tree. This tree makes me so happy, even still, even though the house is a mess. But yeah, I just finished taking everything down. They're in the bins. I got the other tree in a box already, so I'm gonna take a little break and then have Kenzie bring the ladder in here. I'm going to have Kenzie bring the ladder in here so I can start taking this tree down and putting it in a box. Come on, jump. Say hey, Fallon.
Hey.
We look in a mess. I was gonna clean up before taking down the decorations, and I was like, no, I might as well go ahead and get the decorations down because it indeed made more of a mess. So I'm gonna take a little break, get this tree down, and then get started on straightening up a little bit. But I'm gonna have some help with that, right? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
What did Santa bring you?
I know iPad and PS4 candy and go back.
And go back. What was in your gold bag?
Here's the ties.
And what else?
Makeup.
Yes, you got some makeup.
And candy.
And candy. Yes. So I just
toys.
Yes, and toys. You got a kitchen, right? I just wanted to say hello. I have been on the move, so I just decided to pick up the camera and record that. But yeah, time for a break, and then we'll get back to it.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location, Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
Baby, baby, you never really touched me lately. I get the feeling you're just not that into me no more. So, tell me, 'cause I can read your mind, I'm sorry. I need a little invite to your brain, just let me know. This is so confusing, all I feel is useless. Trying to fix a problem you can't admit you wanna fix. Why can't you be truthful? Honesty is crucial. Promise you that I'll be fine, baby, I can take a hint. You don't wanna talk about us, about stuff, and you don't wanna kiss, hold hands, make love. When I say let's break up, you say let's not. So I really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Really, really wanna know what the hell you waiting for. Easy breezy, nobody said that love is easy, but you can go around pretending I'm yours when I'm not. Ooh, help me, 'cause I already have somebody else. She's in love with me, and the name is myself. This is so confusing, all I feel is useless.
All right, I'm back again. Break is over. I just cleaned out the refrigerator because it needed it. It wasn't a deep clean. It was just a little surface clean. I didn't feel like doing all of the things, taking the glasses out and all of that. Not happening. But I had to do that because I made a grocery order, and so it was delivered as I was cleaning out the refrigerator. And then I just threw some stuff out of the pantry that was just taking up space. I always buy tortillas and we never use them all, so going forward I need to be mindful of that. But I'm about to put the groceries up. I do see a light at the end of the tunnel. This kitchen is a mess and it's really bothering me, so I'm about to get this cleaned up and tidied. Not sure. I was gonna make some chili tonight, but I don't know, we'll see, because I still gotta wash the girls' hair. But yeah, I just was coming back in to check in with you guys. I have really been resting, if you can't tell, but I can't rest in this. So let me get back to work. I just wanted to come back and give you guys a quick update, even though I'm sure you saw.
Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. Yeah. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side, the type to pull up down to front. Yeah, keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side, so I know that they're on our side. To ride, to ride, to ride, to ride.
Welcome back to Green Table of Six. My name is Courtney. I'm a wife and mom of four, navigating family life while trying to remember who I am. In today's video, we are doing some cleaning. Ugh. The kids are back at school, and while I've been trying to keep the house in order, you know how it goes with kids and family and everything. So I just finished cleaning the kitchen, as you saw. So today is Monday, and on Mondays, my goal is to get the primary bedroom cleaned, but I still had some dishes in the sink from dinner last night, and I had to tidy up down here first. I set myself a timer for 45 minutes, and so my time is up. So whatever's not done, it's not gonna get done. The kids will do it because for the most part, they're down here. They're down here for the most part, and so they just have to get shoes and tidy up the couch and stuff. So it's not that much. So Tuesdays I work on the kitchen and the dining area and that kind of thing. So I'll do more of a deep clean tomorrow. I got a mop and all of the fun things. But yeah, I'm about to go upstairs and get started on my room. I do have to run errands today, and it is so It's raining and cold, and I would love nothing more than to get in the bed and not do anything, but I can't do that. I've been doing enough of that for the past 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go upstairs and at least make my bed up and straighten up my shoes. My goal for the first quarter of this year is to start updating our bedroom. So I can't update anything if it's a mess. But yeah, I just wanted to say hello because I just got into work mode. But yeah, let's finish and then I gotta go run some errands in this nasty weather.